So guys, this week I designed this website. It's a portfolio website for a photographer named William Smith. I designed this in Figma and learned a lot of web design concepts along the way. So, what do you guys think? First, I tried using Figmake, the AI website builder tool of Figma, but the website was totally off. As you can see, the first hero section was good, but after it, everything else is off. It didn't use the right colors, the images are not placed correctly in the cards, and the footer is not even visible. So then, I exported the design as PNG file from Figma, added it to Lovable, and asked it to build a pixel-perfect website using React plus Sweet, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS. And this is what Lovable has built. It is good, but it is not exactly as I wanted, that is, according to the design. Looks like some parts I have to code by myself. This month, I'm taking my web design skills to the next level. What are you guys working on this month? Mention in the comments below. I'm excited to know. That's it for this video. This is your boy Prithvi, signing off.